What if Yamaha built a sport bike that finally strikes the perfect balance between control and raw performance? Meet the Yamaha R9, a machine designed to sit right at the edge of aggression and everyday usability. This isn't a track-only weapon, and it's not a relaxed street bike either. It exists somewhere in between, and that's exactly what makes it interesting. Visually, the R9 carries a sharp, modern presence that feels instantly familiar yet distinctly evolved. The front end is compact and focused, with sleek LED elements that give it a clean, purposeful look. The fairings flow naturally along the body, creating a silhouette that feels aerodynamic without trying too hard. It doesn't look extreme, it looks intentional. And that intention becomes clear the moment you get on the throttle. The Yamaha R9 is expected to deliver strong, usable power with a response that feels immediate but controlled. Acceleration builds with clarity, not overwhelming but confident. It gives you enough to push harder without feeling like it's trying to overpower you. This is performance you can actually use. And when you settle into the ride, it starts to make even more sense. Because this bike isn't about chasing numbers. It's about creating a connection that feels natural. Handling reflects that same balance. The chassis feels composed, responsive, and predictable, allowing riders to move through corners with confidence rather than hesitation. It responds cleanly to input, making it approachable without losing its edge. You're not fighting the bike, you're working with it. And when everything clicks, it feels smooth, controlled, and genuinely satisfying. Technology plays a key role in shaping that experience. With modern rider aids like traction control, ride modes, quick shifting, and a full digital display, the R9 gives you the tools to adjust the ride to your preference without complicating it. Everything feels supportive, never intrusive. Of course, this kind of balance comes with trade-offs. Riders looking for extreme top-end power may want something more aggressive, and those expecting a fully relaxed ride may still find it slightly demanding. But that's not what the R9 is trying to be. It's built for riders who want versatility without sacrificing character. For riders who want performance they can actually enjoy every day. And if Yamaha positions it right, the R9 could easily become one of the most well-rounded sport bikes in its category. So the real question is, do you want a bike that's extreme or one that feels right every time you ride it? Because the Yamaha R9 doesn't chase attention, it earns trust.